So welcome students. So let's begin chapter 9, that is budgeting. So before I move on to budgeting, first of all I would like to give an introduction to budget. So let's begin. What is budget? Every organization has predetermined goals of objectives which are attained by with the help of proper planning and execution of plans economically. The plan are in the form of statements which are called budget. Budget expresses the plan of hospital in the health organization to improve the optimum care at a reasonable cost in the financial term. The process of budgeting has been gained importance in recent years because of rising health cost and emphasis on cost containment. Next I move on to the meaning of budget. Budget word first coined by the British kings in early days from the word budget, which means leather bag or pouch that held the seal of medieval court exchequer, that is former government department in charge of national revenue. Centuries later, the statements come to be popularly known as budget. Now the term budget refers to financial papers. Budget is numerical description of the expected income and planned expenditure for an organization for special period of time. It is concrete, precise picture of the total operation of an enterprise, organization, institution in monetary terms. Next is definition of budget. Budget is defined as it is a tool for planning, quantifying the plans and controlling the cost. This definition has been given by Finkler in 1984. I move on to the purpose of budget. Budget as tool of financial control. Budget is an instrument of organization as policy. It is device whereby plan and policies are put into action. Budget is tool of administration when planning, coordination, control, evaluation, reporting and reviewing are combined in a budgetary system. It becomes effective tool for administration management. Continuing the purpose, it has informative role as it contains valuable information for various activities. It is a tool of accountability. Budget is forecast of income and expenditure. It is tool for decision making and it means to monitor business performance. Move on to the various characteristics of budget. It is a plan or program framed on the basis of the past experience. It is a scheme for action. It should estimate revenue and expenditure as accurately as possible. It has comprehensive plan of action, a detailed plan of action, and there is an annual plan. Budget is always an annual plan and it is made yearly. I move on to the principles of budget. Budget should provide sound financial management by focusing on recruitment of organization. It should focus on objectives and policies of organization. It should ensure the most effective use of scarce financial and non-financial resources. Continuing with the principle, budget should require the program activity plan in advance. Setting budget target requires almost care to check against and balance between too high and too low estimate. Budget period should be appropriate to the nature of businesses or service and types of budget. While developing the budget, provision must be made for its flexibility. The features of budget. Budgets are flexible. It should be produced of joint venture plus cooperation of executives, department heads of different levels of management. It should be synthesis of past, present and future. So to continue with the feature, it should be a normal form of a statistical standard Lay down in specific numerical terms, it should have support of top management throughout the period of its planning and supplementation. I hope till here it is clear. Just go through your textbook. I'll get back to you in the next class. Thank you and have a marvelous day ahead.